In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a successful email marketing campaign using Lovable AI. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, these steps will guide you on how to leverage AI tools to craft compelling emails that resonate with your audience. To get started, open up Chrome and launch Lovable AI. If you haven't tried Lovable AI yet, it's a fantastic tool that simplifies the email creation process with its intuitive AI-driven features. Once you're on the platform, the first step is to start a new email project. This is where all the magic begins. By creating a new project, you're setting the stage for a structured approach to developing your email marketing strategy. Now, you'll need to input your product or service details. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for your email content. Provide comprehensive information about your offerings, detailing what makes them unique. Next, define your target audience. The more precise you are about whom you aim to reach, the more effective your emails will be. Consider their demographics, interests, and pain points. Coupling this with clear goals will help guide your email's tone and objectives, whether that's driving sales, bookings, or signups. With these details outlined, it's time to dive into the main event, using the email copy generator template provided by Lovable AI. This powerful tool is designed to streamline your content creation, saving you time and ensuring your emails are structured for success. The template will aid in crafting a series of email drafts, offering variations so you can find the option that best aligns with your campaign goals. Here, focus on conversion elements. Consider what call to action statements will most effectively encourage your readers to engage. You might want to highlight key promotions, limited time offers, or exclusive content that urges the recipient to act promptly. Once your draft emails are generated, it's essential to personalize and refine them. While Lovable AI provides a robust starting point, personal touches and tweaks will make your emails more relatable and engaging. Make sure to adjust the tone and language to match your brand's voice and connect with your audience on a more personal level. Pay attention to the subject lines and preview text, as these contribute significantly to your open rates. Finally, when you're satisfied with your edits, it's time to export or copy the emails for your marketing campaigns. Depending on your preferences, this powerful optimization will allow you to seamlessly integrate these emails into your broader marketing strategy. If you're using an email service provider, simply paste your polished content where needed, ensuring you test and verify that all links and formatting appear as intended. And there you have it. By following these comprehensive steps, you'll be well on your way to crafting emails that not only capture the attention of your audience, but lead to meaningful conversions. Thanks for watching, and I hope these tips aid you in your email marketing endeavors.